In this video, we will go over how to set up and operate the PowerLift, how to transport your PowerLift using our convenient hitch hauler, how to level the machine using the Outriggers, and how to add Mast so you can work at the desired height. Finally, we will discuss the PowerLift safety features and emergency procedures. Your PowerLift comes assembled. It has a stowed length of 53 inches and a width of 30 inches. It reaches a working height of 20 feet. The maximum platform capacity for both operator and any tools or supplies is 350 pounds. No time is needed to assemble the PowerLift. Pull into the location and you're off to the task. The transport tires are flat free and 12 inches tall. Transport tires make the PowerLift portable on uneven surfaces like curbs, steps, and doorways transitions. The PowerLift efficiently navigates doors, hallways, and even stairs. It is easily positioned into place with a 0-degree turning radius. The caster wheels are non-marking. Locking wheels help to precisely maneuver the PowerLift. Any electric drill with a 3/8 hex driver will power the PowerLift. The mast sections stow for quick extension. The Outriggers adjust to terrain and space. The modular design means the PowerLift can be customized with different configurations for specific access challenges. We have built our PowerLift to meet the ANSI and OSHA standards for aerial work platforms. Pairing the PowerLift with your hitch hauler accessory, you can easily transport the PowerLift on the back of your vehicle. No assembly time is needed. The hitch hauler allows you to load or unload your PowerLift in seconds. No ropes, chains, or straps required. This accessory allows any vehicle with a 2-inch hitch receiver to transport the PowerLift. Installing the hitch hauler is made simple using the receiver mounting bracket in either the up or down position. To determine the best fit for your vehicle, you will need to measure the distance from the ground to the top of the vehicle's receiver hitch. If your vehicle receiver is between 10 and 15 inches from the ground, you will use the receiver in the up position. Use the down position if your receiver mount is between 16 and 21 inches. Secure the receiver mount bracket with the receiver hitch pin, mounting it as close to the bumper as possible. Next, install the hitch hauler's main body. Secure the base frame with the 2 adjustment pins. Main body so that the bottom is approximately 11 inches above the ground. With the hitch hauler installed onto your vehicle, you will need to tilt the rocker plate down. To do this, remove the ring snap pin, then retaining pin, and then twist the master pin clockwise to remove it. Now release the rocker plate latch and tilt the rocker plate down. To load the PowerLift onto the hitch hauler, tilt the PowerLift back onto the transport tires, guiding the PowerLift between the rocker plate guides. Once the PowerLift is hooked over the rocker plate guides, engage the PowerLift onto the rocker plate. Now push the PowerLift into a horizontal position until the rocker plate latch fully engages. With the PowerLift resting fully on the hitch hauler base, insert the master pin through both uprights, twisting counterclockwise. Next, insert the retaining pin through the rocker plate, master pin, and base frame. Secure the retaining pin with either the ring snap pin or padlock. To verify that the pins have been correctly installed, twist the master pin. It should be locked from rotating when the pins are correctly installed. Before operating the machine, make sure all mast sections, outriggers, railings, and gates are in their proper position. Be sure the platform is properly secured to the climbing unit before operating the machine. To get started with the PowerLift using the outrigger base, let's remove the outriggers, then install the outriggers and secure them to the base. With your drill and 3/8 hex driver, quickly level the outrigger pads. Place your drill driver into the gearbox. Now that the PowerLift is level with the ground, you can enter the PowerLift's platform. Always use extreme caution when entering or exiting the platform. Drive your drill forward to go up and reverse your electric drill to return to the ground. As you ascend to your working height, you can quickly and easily add additional mast sections. Take note of the top mast. It has a plate on the top which will prevent you from stacking any other mast above it. and it will stop you once you reach maximum working height. The mast extensions stow alongside the platform for quick vertical changes during use. Our masts have a tool-free connection system. The mast sections sit on top of each other and easily interconnect. The cam rotates to align with the notch in the locking levers. The locking lever will then snap back into place. Our gearbox features an integrated Overspeed braking system. The Overspeed braking system provides you added safety by automatically stopping the platform in the event of an overspeed descent, giving you peace of mind. As you continue to rise to your working height, you can rest assured knowing that you will not come crashing down. Our innovative mast sections have 4 pins to align the mast sections as you add height. We designed these pins to prevent the mast from tipping out if you inadvertently hit the uncoupled mast section. Another innovative safety feature of the mast is the cam lever. If you forget to lock the mast sections, the cam levers will prevent the platform from ascending beyond the unlocked joint. If your drill loses power, your PowerLift contains a manual descent crank allowing the machine operator to lower the platform manually. Remove the drill and place it inside the platform. Remove the manual descent crank from the mounting clip inside the platform. Engage the drive shaft with the manual crank. Wind counterclockwise until the platform lowers fully. Suppose the platform operator is unable to operate or control the machine. In that case, other personnel should deploy the emergency retraction system to lower the platform and rescue the operator. Remove the retraction winch from the chassis. Attach winch to the base mast. Unwind strap. Remove and extend the retraction tool. Add extensions to the retraction tool. Fix loop to the strap end of the retraction tool. Attach the loop to the hook at the base of the climbing unit. Crank clockwise to lower. The PowerLift is just one of the innovative products we offer at ReechCraft. Since 1993, we've been creating access solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the diverse customers we serve. Check us out on our social media or visit our blog to see product updates, customer stories, and safety tips. At ReechCraft, we're always up to something new.